Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I'm here today to show you some beautiful papers that I've been sent from AITOH Company. The lovely Beth I met at Creativation 2025 and just fell in love with all the papers in their booth. So she has graciously sent me some to feature in my next few projects, and I just got my box the other day, so I wanted to open it and show you all what she sent me. First of all, we have a package of origami papers, and I probably here are a set of shikishi boards. Shikishi board Hosho. This is a solid surface. It says it's soft, more absorbent paper that allows liquid color to spread a bit. Great for ink, pencil, marker, and most painting mediums. Oh, those look beautiful. Ooh. Nice. And then sent me a whole variety of these origami papers. Ooh, these are like brick and wood tones, it looks like. Maybe some stone. Here are some rainbow dots. Oh, this is a whole rainbow set. How fun. This one is 24 sheets of 4 tones. Oh, I don't want to say tie-dye, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. Anyway, beautiful. Here's some stripes. Oh, in all different colors, stripes. Oh, this one is beautiful. Florals in different colors. Looks like they have the same yellow and pink, but the corners have different colors. Oh, these ones are beautiful. Oh, look at those. Beautiful patterns. Ooh, and they are gold foiled. I think I want to open this one. There aren't very many sheets in here, so this is probably more of a premium paper. Okay, that package, they were all stuck together, and these are use-in papers, and I've learned a little bit about use-in, and these are all hand screen printed, each individual sheet. So these have some foiling. That one is beautiful. Look at that. I love that one. So pretty. This one's gold foiled in fan pattern, florals. This one is so pretty. Almost looks like a quilt. Beautiful. And then this silver foiled one with pink. So pretty. I am excited to use those ones. And then, let's see. There's this one. Oh, this is more beautiful florals. Oh, look, there's a crane. My name is Crane, so that is very fitting. Beautiful. And then here is some checkers. Oh, look how fun those are. Those will make some really fun origami pieces. Okay, so that's all the origami paper. And then this package is Lakota paper. Okay, these are Lakota papers, and they are made in Nepal. They are made from one particular bush that grows at the foot of the mountains of the Himalayas, and they grow them, you know, all year, and then they are always harvested in October, and then they make their paper out of them. So that's very sustainable. And then they screen print them. So look how beautiful. It's almost like fabric. It's so thick and luscious. Such beautiful colors and beautiful patterns. Oh. And then a darker gray, and look at that, beautiful. Looks like swirling clouds. That is so pretty. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, and then I have a great big roll of some larger papers. So let me open this and I'll get back. Alright, I've opened this roll and it is so big. Let me just show you. Look, it's very long. Look at all these wonderful. I'm going to roll this and then we'll go through the sheets individually. Okay, it took some doing, but I unrolled everything. Now these are, I think these ones are Lakota paper. So they are very fibrous. You can see all the little fibers, and there are flecks of gold and silver in this. That is so beautiful. And then this one looks to be very similar. Where I'm going to put these to keep them. This one has a beautiful floral print. Let me try and zoom in. And a texture that is so interesting. Just a beautiful paper. Oh, and listen to that crinkle. So nice. And look at this one. Oh, this printing. So pretty. This one is also very fibrous, but it's a little bit finer fibers than those other white ones, but oh, so beautiful. And this one has a leaf pattern. It's similar in texture to the floral, but it has a leaf print. Let's see if, oh, it looks like you can see it. And it's not quite as textured. That is beautiful. They're all very beautiful. And here is the last Lakota paper. And it's kind of a very light gray or lavender with gold foiling in a leaf pattern. Kind of a viney pattern. So beautiful. Now these ones, maybe this is a Lakota paper also. This one, it's similar to the white ones, but it's black with, look at all the beautiful fiber in there and beautiful flecks of gold and silver. You know, I do believe these are use-in papers also, but look at these. Well, you can't really see how big the sheets are, but they are very large. But beautiful. Looks like fall leaves. So amazing. And look at this. Oh, looks like waves. So pretty. I don't know if that is picking up on camera. Let's see if I can get that a little closer. Just beautiful gold foiling on dark blue in a wave pattern, and the cranes flying with gold zigzags and blue. Oh, so pretty. And then beautiful cherry blossoms on pink and red. Oh, I love that one. Oh, the color is so intense and the patterns are so beautiful. Oh, here's one with fans. You can see the beautiful fans and the cherry blossoms, and the colors are just so vibrant and beautiful. And the gold is, I love the gold. Oh, here's a beautiful cream with gold. So beautiful. Oh, here's one with dragons. Now this one doesn't have any gold, but look at the intense colors on there. So beautiful. Now this might be Lakota paper. Let me see. Yes, this is Lakota paper also. So this looks like a deep brown, a beautiful teal. Oh, look at that vibrant purple. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then a deep green and kind of a jade. Beautiful. And then this black one has texture that looks like little leaves all around. So beautiful. All right, let's see. Yeah, that is also Lakota. I would like to thank Beth for sending me these gorgeous papers, and stay tuned for the projects I make. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the AITOH Company. They are a wholesale company, and you can go on their website and look at their catalog, but you cannot order. If you see beautiful papers that you would love to purchase, then go to your local either craft company, scrapbook store, art store, and tell them to order from the AITOH Company. I will give you their information underneath. There's an 800 number that you can call, or that you can give to your local store to get a hold of these papers. So I will put that information in the description under the video. So make sure you go take a look and get these papers in your local stores. They are beautiful. I am so excited to play with them. So stay tuned for the projects I make, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.